Climb them back out.
Ray, help your sister.
I see a trail.
Okay, but it's slippery.
All right, I'm gonna go.
You go first, but you get there.
I don't have. Oh, I guess I do have a little bit of light.
Oh, that's why I like. As long as it smells good.
Yeah.
Wait, look that. Look how far it goes. See where it goes forward.
That's the last hole I'm trying to.
I got it.
It's your sheet.
You got it?
Everything is ice.
Avery, look at this.
Yeah, I saw.
Water.
It's slippery.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I said,
Easy to get down, yeah, right.
Almost busted my ass right there. It's called the ice caves.
Whoa, this is cool.
Careful, it's real slick.
It's
Step on these rocks right here.
not the icy one.
if you rocks that have ice on it,
It's slick.
See right there?
did somebody poop in here?
We have little rocks. You see all like pebbles?
Yeah, ice crystals. It's pretty cool.
Oh, that's ice right there. Don't fall silly. Hold on to the
Hang on. Step down here.
Well, you know where we're at.
I feel like I'm in a meat locker.
Go on, you.
Point at the floor. I don't know where I'm
Whoa.
Okay, this is all ice right here. It's all ice right here, so you gotta be really careful. What? It's really slick right here, hon. This is just a sheet of ice.
Go up, Brennan, and turn your.
I am.
No, I can see it.
If you're not coming far in.
Whoa.
Yeah, I should probably just walk on these rocks right here because it's not so slick.
Yeah.
I'll find another spot here to stand. Check that out. It's just a big thing of ice. It is slick, hon. Be careful.
Just dripped on my back.
What's that?
Water dripped on my back.
All right.
Slippery to be carrying anyone on this.
It's easier just to walk over this way here. It's a little more flat.
You want to go down in there?
Good luck.
Guys, how did you guys get down here?
I might be able to crawl through that hole. I don't know.
Just put where there's no ice. And then hold on.
You want to, you have to crawl in there. Yeah.
I know, it's slippery. Not nice.
Avery,
There we go.
hey, turn the light over here.
Huh?
Is there more rain?
Yeah?
Yeah, we walked all through here, I thought. I thought we walked all through it. No, there was a spot that we walked all the way through. It could have been where the natural bridges are at.
It's like dead end.
Yeah,
Oh man, we gotta turn around.
yeah.
This is a dead end. You gotta.
Yeah.
That little critter's only about 50, 60.
Hey, Tom, this ain't the spot where we walked all the way through, is it? I thought it was. Right. I thought we walked all the way through to another side last year.
This cave.
It may be that one right
You
there.
guys didn't do this cave because remember you need to choose.
Yeah. Because I know one of them leads all the way through, right?
Okay, we gotta go back.
Yeah, I gotta go back.
Follow my steps.
Like I said, it's easier getting in that.
We're coming back. It's a dead end.
Then who made it to the end?
Hello.
This little girl. I'm not.
Yeah, I'm
Is it Brad?
It's a little on the slippery side.
Oh, this is not good. I shouldn't have got up on this rock. And then I gotta get down on the other rock.
Probably have to go. You taking a picture of one?
No, I'm videotaping.
No.
Whoa. Almost slipped. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I don't know which way.
There we go.
Here, I'll let you go first because I can't see before you.
I got the light right here, hon. You can see.
Just right here. We got it. You okay back there?
Yeah. Yep, I'll make it.
Thank you.
Ooh.
Is it cold back in there?
Yeah. Yeah, it feels like a meat locker. It feels like the area I used to work in.
Not in here.
No.
How was that, babe? That cool back in there?
I don't know.
Cool in two ways.
Gunner.
All right, we are at the natural bridges. That little girl right there, that's like my little niece. It's called natural bridges because they're made from lava that came through here years ago.
Ready, jump. Jump. Yeah. You're good at jumping. There's another one coming. Ready? Jump! Whee! We did it! There's one too. Whee! Awesome! Yeah! Lots of jumping rods. Jumping rods. Jumping rods. Yeah, I see a bee. And there's a bug. Can we go down there? A beetle.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, you can go down in there if you want. There's a little trail right here. Not if you want to go down in there.
Whoa! Whoa! Go! Is that where you guys go?
I could.
Oh, you just go on.
Yeah. You just go underneath there and that's it.
Okay, meet you on the other side, Jade. Be
Well,
careful.
I don't know if she can walk through, but maybe she
Go
can.
down with her.
Just walk down in there, sweetie.
Don't slip and fall. We'll watch you coming from the other side, Jade.
Walk on this narrow path right here.
Oh, she went down.
There she is. I don't think she can come out this way, hon. I don't know if she can. She's right here.
Scenic spots are the.
No, this is dead end right here.
Is that a dead end, Jade?
Where'd Jade? Where'd Jade go? Coming back up. There she is. Let's go. Uh-oh. Yeah, you don't want to go down there. See, there she is. Which way are you going? This way?
We travel all the way up through there.
Just a picture down there.
Way deep down here. You go that way or you come this way. Let's go. Let's go. Okay.
You better be quick. We're photogenic.
It's all closed off down in there.
I didn't know there was rules.
Jake, come in. Watch where you going, little girl.
So you hold it down here.
Look, you can step down this way. Where are we going?
You can walk up this way, hon.
Okay, we'll follow Uncle Travis. Follow Uncle Travis. Oh, you're gonna jump. Step. Track her down there.
Oh, she's fine.
Ready?
See, hon, she's fine.
I come in. Wait for me. I jump. Did you jump? Yeah. Yeah. I gotta hold your hands. I don't want you to fall. Okay, move, guys, move. Push it out of the way.
Yeah, I'm sorry, not too narrative, but this is where the lava ran through hundreds of years ago. And now they're just like natural bridges. They're like lava tubes. It's pretty cool. See all that down through there? That lava traveled all up through here hundreds of years ago.
Mommy and Daddy.
And it really sucked the fall down there. No, thank you. See the edge right here. Yeah, no, thank you. Pretty cool though. You can see a tube over there and how that's the first bridge we went under.
Want to go that way? Whoa. Wow.
I think that's it right here, hon.
Huh?
Yeah, because we went up there, there's nothing over there.
Want to go that way?
There's nothing over there.
This is it.
Yeah, this is it right here, Tom, isn't it? This is it right here, isn't it? I think it was because last year we went up there and there was nothing up there. Huh?
I don't remember another bridge, but
I don't either.
but the trail goes on for quite a ways.
Yeah.
And I don't remember if it looped around, that'd be better.
Yeah. I think
It's a long ways.
I think I walked up a little ways and I was like, there's nothing up here, and I came back.
Yeah. The boys, yeah, we'd went quite a ways, seen a deer,
Yeah.
but that was a couple, 3 years ago.
Okay.
You going in?
Yeah.
Cartwheel?
It's a little bit
too rough.
You gotta snug up your shoes for it?
Yeah, we got tight.
We're going
I
forward.
think the viney maples have taken over a little bit.
I'm going
So you
forward
used to be
to
able to get
down.
down in there, you know, and take pictures from up here.
You go down there with Bright Abe? Yeah, right.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah.
Then I'd have to haul you out.
The cross button.
Yeah, that's.
Yay! Want to do it again? Ready? Go. Do it again.
Yeah. Walk down in here. Take a little peek over here, see what's up.
Get it, Dee. Careful. Where they going? Let's go look and see what they do.
It just stops right here.
Hey, hey, take a picture. Hi. Hi.
All right, we're gonna stop that for now.